Looking for a pin you liked earlier? Pinterest lets you review your liked content in just a few taps. Follow the steps below to quickly find and revisit your favorite pins. Open the Pinterest applications on your smartphone and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct Pinterest account, as liked pins are tied to the specific account where the activity occurred. Next, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view your boards, saved pins, and account activity. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. This will open a menu containing various account and personalization options. From the settings menu, select Refine your recommendations. Pinterest uses this section to help you manage the content that influences your recommendations and overall browsing experience. After opening Refine your recommendations, you'll be able to view content associated with your engagement history, including the pins you've liked. Scroll through the list to browse all the photos and videos you've previously liked on Pinterest. You can tap any pin to view it in full, save it to a board, share it with others, or explore similar content. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you can easily find your liked pins and revisit your favorite Pinterest discoveries whenever you want.